Good evening, traders. I have the NASDAQ 100. I have a 15-minute chart. We rallied straight up here to the top, and now we have come down. The futures in the NQ 100 had a 55-point move down. We have a holiday week, Thanksgiving week, and we don't expect a lot of volume. We've rallied straight up since October 27th. I updated a live stream video on the YouTube channel. Sign up for the YouTube channel. There are comments that you can put. We'll be happy to answer all your questions that you may have. If you're trading, we will help you with these markets. It's a year-end rally, and we've already had that big Thanksgiving rally. So we're not expecting a lot of upside from here. So in the morning, we'll see where the futures are. That's going to have a big effect on the opening bell. Stay tuned. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. We will guide you through this Thanksgiving week, and then we have the Santa Claus rally. But let me caution you, most of this rally has already happened, so that means that the upside is going to be limited. We'll be watching to see if people take profits. Once again, sign up. Let's get you rolling.